Hey yo, what up people? This is your boy Jason J Kicks, and today we are back with another video. And for today's video guys, I have for you the Jordan 1 Low Black Elephant. I'm gonna review these shoes on today's video. I'm gonna show you how they look on feet, the quality, and some details that these shoes have. But before we go into all that, please let me ask you to go and hit the thumbs up if you like the content. Also go and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Activate the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a video, which is every single day guys. So go follow me on my Instagram and on TikTok as Jason J Cakes. And now let's begin this video. Unlike the Jordan 1 Mid Black Elephant, this shoe don't have the white toe and the white panel. This one is a full black shoe with the elephant print in black, as we can see right here on the back of the shoe, going all through the swoosh. This one is a really clean looking shoe. Black, full black shoe, that's what we got here, with some white hits as we can see. And this is a shoe that you can wear any day, so this is a very good shoe for your weekly rotation. This one is a special edition, at least that's how they are labeled for Jordan Brand and Nike. And all I'm gonna tell you is that this is a super clean shoe. Do I like these over the Jordan 1 Mid version of this shoe? I don't know, but I like both, because this one, like I said, it's a super clean shoe. That to me, these are the perfect black shoes, because these are not full black. This one has the white midsole, and this is the only way I like a predominantly black shoe, because I don't like when the shoe is full black, like the Phantom Travis Scott. I didn't like that shoe just because of the color blocking of the shoe. But this one with the white midsole, yeah, I think this one has the perfect combination between black and a little bit of white. The outsole is also black, which is super good, because black outsoles don't get as dirty as other colors get. And I think, like I said, you know how I feel about black outsoles. So yeah, that's what we got on these shoe. On the inside of the shoe, we also have a black sug liner, black insole with the Jumpman on it, and on the back of the shoe we have the Wings logo. On the front, we have the Jumpman in black, in that black tone tag with the black laces, which are the only laces that the shoe comes with. No extra laces included on this one. But if you want to know how these babies look with white laces, your boy got you covered. And here you have them. This is how they look with the white laces. Pretty clean, because the shoe has the white hits on the midsole and on the Wings logo. So the white laces match this shoe perfectly as well. But in my humble opinion, I'm gonna stay with the black laces, because I think it looks super clean with this one. So that's my opinion only. Let me know how you feel about it. Now you're gonna go with white laces or black laces. Remember that the white laces are not included. I got this one from another shoe on my collection. But if you want some white laces, you always can go to Amazon and get yourself a clean pair of white laces without paying that much, actually. So I'm just letting you know that. This shoe, when it comes to quality, what we have new on this one is the elephant print on the back. This is some type of a nubuck that we have here with elephant print on it. Pretty good. What can I say? This area ain't gonna crease anyway, but we have a different materials than the one we usually have on this one. And then we have the synthetic leather that we regularly have. A little bit better, but ain't gonna make a difference. Quality on these is not premium. It's nothing close to the quality that we regularly have on Jordan 1 highs. This is pretty much Jordan 1 mid quality that we're gonna get on these. But if you like Jordan 1 lows, the retro version, you gotta be accustomed to it. It's not like we can't complain, because we actually can. Like, Jordan Brand really needs to improve the quality of dope shoes like this, because in my opinion, this one is a really dope shoe. I like the colorway on this one. I already told you about that. But if they improve the quality, this shoe would be a lot better. That's why the retro version of the shoe, even though I like it a lot, it's my least favorite version of the Jordan 1 lows. And it's only because of the quality. I still buy them because I like the way they look, and the retail price is not that high, to be honest, but please, Jordan brand, improve the quality, because this is really a good shoe. I love the way they look. The silhouette is beautiful, but the quality needs to be improved. On this one, it's not as bad as usually, but definitely could be improved. And that's the only valid point that I gave to the haters when they are criticizing the Jordan 1 lows. But I know they don't criticize the Jordan 1 low for the quality. They just do it because they think they look cool by hating on Jordan 1 lows and Jordan 1 mid. But let me tell you a secret, you simply don't. Jordan 1 lows are just as good as any other shoe. You that are hating on Jordan 1 lows, you are the same person that was loving the Nike Dunk Low Pandas with that trash quality leather when the shoe was high in resale value. But now that the shoe is releasing every week, and nobody cares about the Panda anymore, now you don't like them because you don't have your own opinion, and that's the reason why you're not loving the Jordan 1 lows, because those bigger YouTubers, your favorite YouTuber is telling you that Jordan 1 lows are trash just because these shoes don't usually go up in resale value. But guess what, my boy? I like them, and I don't care about your opinion. And if you like these shoes, don't pay attention to other people's opinions either. If your friend don't like them, it doesn't matter. It's your shoe. It's your shoe. You are the ones who supposed to love the shoes on your feet. And if your friends are trying to make fun of you because of the shoe you're wearing, those are not real friends. Be careful with that. So, with all that being said, resolution of the video, really dope shoe, really nice colorway. The black elephant Jordan 1 lows, man. I think these are super clean. The colorway is nice. The materials definitely could be better, but these shoes being a Jordan 1 low retro, I think this one is a solid 8 out of 10. Of course, I love these, but I want to know about you. I show you how they look on feet. I show you everything about the shoe. Now I want you to tell me your opinion about it. Thank you guys a lot for watching this video. If you want to know more about me and my content, make sure to be subscribed to the channel, and also go follow me here on my Instagram. It's JSonJKicks. I'm always uploading picture videos, sneaker content, all type of sneaker content. If you enjoy pictures or you just want to know about the upcoming releases, shock drop and everything, follow me on Instagram, JSonJKicks. Thank you guys a lot for watching this video, and till the next one, goodbye.